kids, welcome back to Toy Discoveries. In today's video, we're going to unbox these Play-Doh surprise eggs and play with all the things it has inside. Let's open them up and see what we can find. Now let's do the second, smaller egg. Now this side over here, we're gonna pull this down. So now that we've taken the wrapping off both of these eggs, we're gonna open the bigger one first. So let's open it up. Wow, has all these Play-Doh cutters. Oh, can you guys tell me, do you guys know what this animal is? It looks like a giraffe. So this is a giraffe cutter. Ooh, this is a crocodile. We're gonna learn about these animals in my next video. I'm going to be doing a puzzle and we're gonna learn about safari animals. We're gonna learn about the giraffe and the crocodile. And here we have a shape of a dog. Let's see. Oh, this looks like an elephant. This is the trunk. And this is our roller that we're gonna roll our dough out with. And it comes with two colors. This one is a light blue or teal and a dark green color. Let's put our big egg to the side and open up the smaller one. Wow! A butterfly. Ooh, and it's a little person. Whoops. A little person. And we have a star. How awesome! And this one comes with three colors. Purple, green, and red. Awesome. So, I think we should start with the animal shapes and move on to our smaller shapes. Just like we did with the egg. So, let's move the smaller shapes on this side. We're gonna start with a giraffe. And we're gonna make our giraffe green. So we're gonna open our Play-Doh. Nice green color. We're gonna take our green out. There we go. And we're going to roll it out with our red rolling pin. So roll, 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 roll. Okay, so we're gonna take our giraffe shape and place it on the dough and push down. And there we have our first animal. We have a giraffe over here. And now we're going to use the remaining of our Play-Doh to make our alligator. So we're gonna take our alligator over here and do the same as we did with the giraffe. There we go. And we have a green alligator. Because this is very little, we're gonna put it to the side to use it for something different later. And we're gonna open up our teal Play-Doh. Now we're gonna take it out. Now that we have our blue Play-Doh, we're going to do the same thing that we did but we will move our animals a little further up over there so we can roll out our blue Play-Doh. And now we're gonna do the dog. Let's see, does it fit? I think so. And here we have our dog. I'm gonna put it to the side. I think I'm going to mix the two colors together, green and blue, in my hands. And we're gonna use our red rolling pin to flatten it out. So that we can make an elephant. We're gonna apply pressure like that, and there we have our elephant. We're going to move on to our smaller pieces, the star, the butterfly, and the little person. I think we should use red for the little person, purple for the star, and green for the butterfly. So let's start with the star. Let's open this up. And now we're gonna roll our dough out again with our rolling pin. You can use both or one hand. And we're gonna make our star. It got stuck, and if it does, you can just use your finger to push it out. Our green, and we're gonna roll it out again. And now that we've rolled it out, we're gonna make a butterfly. A green butterfly. How cool. I'm gonna place it over there. I've opened up our red Play-Doh, and we're gonna use that to make our last shape, which is a little person. We're gonna make it nice and flat. And now we're gonna place our little person. We're gonna give it a push. How nice! It's a little red person. Awesome. So let's go over our shapes that we made with our Play-Doh. Let's bring them all here so we can look at them carefully. Okay, so here we made a green giraffe, a blue dog, a green and blue elephant, a purple star, a green alligator or crocodile, it could be either of them, a green butterfly, and a red person. We made all these shapes with just a little bit of Play-Doh, and we learned our colors and our shapes and some animals. I hope you all enjoyed unboxing these Play-Doh eggs with me and discovering different shapes and animals. It was a lot of fun for me, and I hope you had fun as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Toyscoveries for more fun and educational videos like this one. Until the next one, guys, bye!